Are you unknowingly putting your cat in danger? Today, we're diving into common mistakes cat owners make that can harm their feline companions, mistakes that you might be making right now without even realizing it. These range from neglecting dental health to providing an unbalanced diet, and even skipping those all-important vet checkups. Each of these mistakes will be explored in detail in the upcoming scenes, giving you the knowledge to better care for your beloved pets. Stay tuned as we unravel these common but dangerous mistakes that could be putting your cat at risk. First on our list is ignoring your cat's dental health. It's a topic that may not immediately spring to mind when thinking about your feline friend's overall health. But believe it or not, dental health is a significant part of your cat's well-being. Like us humans, cats can suffer from a variety of dental problems. Plaque and tartar buildup, gingivitis, and even tooth loss are all too common in our feline companions. Left unchecked, these conditions can lead to more severe issues like dental abscesses and periodontal disease. And it doesn't stop there. Poor dental health can give way to systemic problems impacting vital organs like the heart and kidneys. So, what can we do to keep our cat's pearly whites in top shape? Well, it starts with regular dental checkups at the vet. These visits allow for early detection and treatment of potential dental issues, but your responsibility doesn't stop at the vet's office. Home care plays a crucial role too. Consider investing in a cat-friendly toothbrush and toothpaste. Yes, they exist, and yes, your cat may need some time to get used to them. But with patience and consistency, you can make toothbrushing a part of your cat's routine. Dental diets and treats can also be beneficial. These are specially formulated to reduce plaque and tartar buildup, promoting healthier teeth and gums. Now, how do we know if our cat is facing a dental problem? Some signs to watch out for include bad breath, drooling, difficulty eating, and visible changes in the teeth or gums. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consult your vet. So, to sum up, ignoring your cat's dental health can lead to a cascade of problems, some of which can be life-threatening. Regular vet checkups, coupled with proper home care, can help keep your cat's teeth healthy and prevent these issues. And remember, when in doubt, always turn to your vet for advice. So remember, your cat's dental health matters. Don't ignore it. Secondly, feeding your cat an unbalanced diet can be more harmful than you think. Just like us humans, cats also need a balanced diet to stay healthy and happy. But unlike us, cats are obligate carnivores, which means they require a diet high in meat. They need certain nutrients like taurine and arachidonic acid, which are only found in animal tissues. Overfeeding is another common mistake. You might think you're showing love by giving them extra treats, but it could lead to obesity and related health issues like diabetes and joint problems. A cat's energy needs depend on their age, size, and activity level, so it's important to monitor their body condition and adjust their food intake accordingly. On the other hand, underfeeding can also be detrimental, leading to malnutrition and a weakened immune system. It's all about finding that sweet balance, ensuring your feline friend gets just the right amount of food. Now let's talk about human food. While it's tempting to share our meals with our cats, many human foods are unhealthy or even dangerous for them. For example, onions and garlic can cause anemia in cats, and chocolate is highly toxic. Even some seemingly harmless foods like milk can cause digestive issues, as many cats are lactose intolerant. So, what makes a healthy cat diet? High-quality commercial cat food is usually a good choice, as it's specifically formulated to meet their nutritional needs. But remember, not all cat foods are created equal. Look for ones with high-quality protein sources, low carbohydrates, and no artificial additives. If you're unsure, your vet can provide personalized recommendations. Supplementing their diet with wet food can also be beneficial, as it helps keep them hydrated. And don't forget about water. Always ensure your cat has access to fresh, clean water. Occasionally you can treat your cat with special cat treats, or a small portion of cooked fish or poultry. But remember, these should only make up a small percentage of their overall diet. Your cat's diet is crucial for their health, so make sure it's balanced and nutritious. The third mistake is neglecting regular vet checkups. Imagine this. Your cat seems perfectly healthy, full of life and curiosity. But what if beneath that playful exterior, there's a silent health issue brewing, one that only a trained eye could spot? That's where regular vet checkups come into play. Just as we humans need regular health checkups, so do our furry friends. Cats, especially, are masters at hiding any discomfort or pain they might be experiencing. It's a survival instinct. In the wild, showing weakness can make them a target, so they've evolved to keep their ailments hidden. But in our homes, this instinct can work against them and us. It means that by the time we notice something's wrong, the issue could have advanced significantly. That's why it's crucial to have them checked by a vet regularly, even if they seem perfectly healthy. Now, what does a regular checkup entail? Well, your vet will examine your cat's body from head to tail. They'll check their eyes, ears, teeth, and gums. They'll listen to their heart and lungs, feel their abdomen, and examine their skin and coat. They might also ask you about your cat's behavior, eating habits, and any changes you've noticed. These checkups can catch potential health issues early. It could be a small tooth decay that can lead to severe dental disease if left untreated. Or it could be subtle changes in behavior that signal a more serious illness. The sooner these issues are detected, the better the chances of successful treatment. Moreover, regular vet visits are an excellent opportunity to discuss any concerns you might have. Maybe you're unsure about your cat's diet, or you've noticed a change in their behavior that worries you. Your vet can provide advice and guidance, and together you can ensure your cat lives a happy and healthy life. You see, regular vet checkups aren't just about catching potential health issues, they're about promoting overall well-being, about ensuring that our beloved pets live the best life they can. Never underestimate the importance of regular vet visits. Early detection can be a lifesaver. Last but certainly not least, a lack of stimulation can negatively impact your cat's well-being. Just like us humans, our feline friends also crave mental and physical stimulation. Yes, they do love their nap times, but it's a myth that cats are solitary, sleep-all-day creatures. They need engagement, play, and mental challenges to stay happy and healthy. Imagine yourself in a room with absolutely nothing to do. Sounds boring, right? Now that's how your cat might feel when they lack stimulation. They can't tell you they're bored, but their behavior might. Over-grooming, excessive meowing, and even aggression can be signs of a bored cat. So, how do we keep our cats entertained and stimulated? Well, the answer is simple. Play with them. Most cats love to pounce, chase, and explore. Toys that mimic prey, like toy mice or feather wands, can provide hours of fun. Puzzle toys that reward with treats also offer mental stimulation. And don't forget the allure of a simple cardboard box or paper bag. These items can provide a fun and cost-effective playground for your kitty. Remember, playing with your cat isn't just about keeping them entertained, it's also a great way to bond with them. But it's not all about play. Providing a stimulating environment is just as important. Allow them access to windows for birdwatching, introduce cat-friendly plants for them to explore, and consider installing cat shelves or towers for them to climb. What if you're not home most of the day? Consider using interactive pet cameras that allow you to talk to, watch, and even play laser tag with your cat remotely. But remember, every cat is unique. What excites one cat might not interest another. Experiment with different toys and activities to find what your cat enjoys the most. Neglecting your cat's need for stimulation can lead to behavioral issues and even obesity, so it's crucial to keep their minds and bodies active. Remember, a bored cat is an unhappy cat. Keep them stimulated for their happiness and health. To recap, we've covered 4 common mistakes that cat owners make. First, we looked at the importance of dental health, a frequently overlooked aspect of feline care. Remember, ignoring your cat's dental health can lead to serious issues like gum disease and tooth loss. Next, we discussed the dangers of an unbalanced diet. Just like humans, cats need a balanced diet to thrive. Feeding your cat the same food day in and day out can lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients. Thirdly, we explored the significance of regular vet checkups. Routine vet visits are crucial to catch any potential health problems early, ensuring your feline friend lives a long, healthy life. Finally, we highlighted the need for stimulation. Cats are intelligent creatures and require mental and physical stimulation to keep them active and prevent behavioral issues. Be mindful of these mistakes to keep your cat healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care tips.